Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on keyboard sound. You're in Android or any phone. So let's start. First thing you can do is go to settings. But if the other videos don't work, there is a problem that I know. There is a problem I amended myself. Click sounds, go to sounds and vibrations. Then click volume. As you can see, wow, that scared me. You turn all these three on. What's that? Wow. Never mind. Sorry guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and another problem. Just go back soon. Oh my gosh. That's so scary. As you can see, you do all the, but don't click media. Okay? Media must turn off. Sometimes it's not like mine, but click system sounds and vibration. As you can see all those. But make sure to click keyboard sound on. Wait, when you write, as you can see, if it's off, you can't hear anything. I can't hear anything too. But if you turn it on, listen. Now you can hear everything. But sometimes it's like that. Well, like that. And you can't hear it. You can still hear, right? But if you turn this one on, this can be on, and you can't hear because this system is off. You must turn it off. That's enough. And now listen. So that was the best video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!